So carrying on, here we've got solids, liquids and gases. Now they're different in the way that the particles, the atoms or the molecules are organised. So here we've got gas at the top, then we've got liquid in the middle, we've got solid. So again, if you think about gas, that would be steam in the context of H2O, water. The liquid would be water and the solid would be ice. Easier to visualise in your head, easier to see. And if you can see something, then it's much easier to understand. Now, solids, liquids and gases, you can see on the right in those boxes, there is the actual atomic organisation, the particles, how they're organised. Now a gas, the particles are miles apart, bouncing around, not connected in any way, and they fly around, bounce off the walls. The liquid, the particles are touching, they can slide across each other, but they don't fly off all over the place, but they can move across each other. And the solid, all the particles are joined, all in place. Now everything moves, and we'll see on the next slide. Here, so we said solids obviously don't flow. You can't pour a lump of gold out of a cup. And so the actual solid doesn't flow or move. They are solid, but the particles within the solid do vibrate. Everything moves, even just a little bit. So the particles in a solid, the atoms or the molecules, they vibrate a little bit, but they don't move off. They all stay in place. Now, liquids, for example, water, they can flow. You can pour water out of a glass. And obviously the particles have more energy than solids because they move a bit more. So for things to move a bit more, they need more energy. And they can move and slide across each other. So if you think of a bowl of beads, and the beads are the atoms within water, they will flow and push across each other. They're all touching, they all fill the bowl, but they will move across each other and change positions. Now gases like steam, the particles fly about randomly at high speed and have a lot of energy. So gas has the most energy, liquid the next level of energy, and solids have the least. Now, if you think about it as ADHD, so gas is high ADHD. It's bouncing off the walls, flying around randomly, very quickly. All of the particles shooting off in different directions. Liquid is a little less ADHD. The particles or the atoms, the molecules, they move across each other, but they're touching. And solids don't have ADHD at all. They sit in place and they shake a little bit. They vibrate a little bit. So the key points is gas, all the particles, atoms, molecules, whatever, they fly off and bounce around. In water, the particles touch, but they can slide across each other like a bowl of beads. And in a solid, they all stay in one single place, but they vibrate a little bit. And the most energy is gas. The lesser than gas is liquid, and even lower than liquid is the solid, and that's what we need to remember.